Have you ever received an email where the sender or from address isn't what it seems? Maybe it says the person's name, but the email address belongs to a Google group or a generic support alias. And the worst part, when your automation tries to reply to that email, it doesn't go to the customer. It replies right back to you or your own internal group. It's a frustrating loop. This happens because of security protocols like DMARC. When emails pass through a distribution list, the service masks the original sender to prevent the email from getting blocked as spam. The good news? The true sender is still hiding in the email headers. Here are two ways to find them in Zenphi. First, let's look at a scenario where you might not have direct access to the email headers, like when using the standard Gmail trigger. For this, you can use the built-in find email action. It's simple. Take the email ID from your trigger and map it into the find email action. In the output, Zenphi automatically tries to extract a field called original sender. However, be careful. This method can be unreliable. If the email wasn't masked, say it came directly from a client, this field will be empty. And even if it is masked, sometimes the specific header format prevents Zenphi from extracting it, leaving the field empty again. To handle this safely, you should create a variable called sender. Then add an if condition to check, is the original sender field empty? If it is empty, set your sender variable to the standard from address. And if it is not empty, set your sender variable to the original sender value. Then you can confidently use this variable in your reply action. Now for the most robust solution. If we are using a trigger that gives you access to the full headers, like the Zenphi mail trigger, we have a better way. You can use our true sender unmasker. We created this specialized script and it is available in our community mini flows. I've mentioned the link to the mini flow in the video description. It takes just two inputs. First, map your email headers into the header string field. Second, map your standard from address into the fallback email field. This action is smart. It analyzes the headers to see if the email is masked. If it is, it extracts the real customer email. And if it is not masked, it automatically returns the fallback address. By using this output, you guarantee that your automation replies to the correct person every single time. If they emailed you directly or through a group, no more infinite loops. Happy automation.